So you're thinking about moving to Charlotte, North Carolina, but you want new construction. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a Toll Brothers community called Griffith Lake in the north side of Charlotte. So if that's you, stick around. We're going to get after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe and bell notifications so you can be the first to learn about the market conditions right here in sunny Charlotte, North Carolina. My name is Dean Hardy. I am the host of this channel, local agent and team lead. And I get calls, text messages, and emails every single day from people like you that are making a move to the Charlotte area, and I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about moving to Charlotte, whether it's 7 days, 7 weeks, 7 months, go ahead and reach out to me today. My contact information is right below. I would love to help you and your family make a nice, smooth move right here to Charlotte, North Carolina. So like pretty much every new construction community these days, there's a lot of construction going on, so there's some noise in there. So we're going to get inside here real quick, but before I do, just want to give you a quick lay of the land. We're going to be touring the Dilworth floor plan. It's right around 2,300 square feet. It is a ranch home, but it does have a second level, which has a loft and bedroom and additional bathroom up there. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath house. It's priced right around that mid 500s. Build time on these is right now somewhere between 3 and 9 months, depending on the lot you choose and the floor plan that you can have. But this property is really nicely equipped right around that mid 500, so I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get inside. All right, guys, so let's get this tour going. So as soon as you come in through the front door, the very first thing that you really notice is we've got huge ceilings. They are all 10 feet, and that includes the second level. All the doors in the property are 8 feet. So we've got some huge entranceway that really makes this property pop. Right behind my left shoulder is the front door. And as soon as we come in on the right-hand side, we've got the first bedroom that I'm gonna show you. Here's where there's a transition in the flooring. So notice we've got wood flooring, 6-inch, these are 8-inch boards, but in the first bedroom, we're gonna go ahead and see the carpet transitions to the builder grade with that nice padding. It's a fairly decent sized bedroom. A lot of natural light in here with the windows. We've got a queen size bed right over here, and we've got a built-in closet. So it's a really nice size room. On some of these updates, you'll notice the wall there as well. So they have actually done a nice craft finish. So coming through here, we've got a linen storage closet right over here. And then on the right-hand side, we have the first bathroom. Again, the flooring transitions seamlessly. We've got the subway tile bathtub. We've got the quartz countertops right over here with the modern white cabinetry. And of course, we've got the commode. So it's really, really big as far as the space. It really makes this whole area look huge just with the size of the ceilings. We're gonna go up to the second level here shortly, but that's where this stairwell is. But stay tuned before we get over there. They've actually got a nice built-in mudroom drop zone. Here is the entrance to the garage. We won't go into the garage. There's nothing too exciting in there. But here's where we see the mud zone. So when people are coming in the house, kids throw their coats here, their bags, kick their shoes under here. So it's a really good use of space. Now on the right-hand side, we've got the home office area. So as you can see, they've taken the doors off on the model home, but you can have the French doors on here. They do come standard with it. But as you can see, a great size for the office. They have the built-ins on either side. And remember the price point in the mid 500s, these are the kind of upgrades you'll get. Nice big 6-foot desk, really makes the place look huge. It's a lot of space, good for storage. So it's right off the main entranceway. Now here's where you're gonna be doing most of your living. And this is gonna be the open concept kitchen, living room, and the dining area. So I'll go ahead and just start with the kitchen right behind me. At this price point, and with Toll Brothers, the builder, you're gonna expect these high-end finishes. So we've got the modern quartz countertop, You've got under cabinetry on the kitchen island as well, so there's extra storage over there. As you can see, there's 4 bar stools there and lots of space on here. Modern backsplash as far as the tile. You've got the built-in oven and the microwave. Huge thing that people always love is these gas burners. You've got the 5 gas burners. You've got the storage above the stainless steel appliances. And of course, everybody loves sinks nowadays. And of course, we're gonna have the farmyard sink right here, the dishwasher, again, stainless steel. Really nice use of space. Here's the microwave and the oven, and it's wide open. As you can see yourself hanging out in the kitchen, being able to watch the kids or what's on TV. and you've got the dining area right beside me. But before we go over to the living room, I'm going to actually just show you a cool little place they've got. It's an addition, I'm going to call it the wet bar, but here's the pantry right here on my left shoulder. It is a walk-in pantry. It's pretty big enough for the size of the house and the number of bedrooms for sure. But I just love this small area over here. This will be perfect for storing like your coffee, if you're like me, you like drinking tea, having your kettle over here, or just use it as a wet bar. Now, right off the kitchen, just a little bit further, you're gonna see this laundry room area. And I love the tiling. Notice the transition now from the flooring. You've got the washer and dryer, and you've also got, and I'll get in so you can see it, but you can also have this, which is part of the upgrade in that mid 500s. You've got the quartz countertops, and you've got a sink in here and some extra storage. Huge feature right here in the laundry room. So a great little space. Now I'll go ahead and swivel around, and I'm gonna go ahead and just show you real quickly the dining area. Most open floor plans at this square footage won't have a separate dining room. To be honest, most people don't use formal dining rooms on the daily. It's saved for really special events, Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthdays, etc. So this is more than enough. As you can see, there's a 6-foot table, beautiful light fixture in there, a lot of light coming in here with the sliding glass door on all the windows. So it's really good for a family. And again, most of the time, if you just got kids and you're like me, a lot of the times we just hang out and eat at the bar. It's just as practical just to do it that way. As you notice right here in the living room, you've got these huge baseboards, and I don't think I mentioned that earlier. So you've got those big 8-inch baseboards throughout the house. The living area, it's not huge, but plenty. You could definitely get a sectional in here if you want to go that route. They've got a nice coffee table, piece of furniture that's actually really nice, and they got a nice big screen TV on there. Notice you've got the 3 windows over here, so a lot of natural light in here, and of course you've got the ceiling fan. They also have an update you can do if you'd like to get the house pre-wired for a sound system. Speakers can be all through the house, and there's a central hub that operates all the internet and the audio as well, so it's a great little spot. Now I'll shoot around here. We're going to go outside towards the end, but I do want to just show you kind of the exit point for the house. If you want to go into the back area, you've got the sliding glass door. Now here behind me, right off the kitchen, is the owner's primary suite. Now notice before we go in here, the other bedroom on this level was at the front of the house. The primary owner suite is at the back of the house, so you get a little separation between the bedrooms, which is always nice. Huge entranceway, 8-foot doors, as you can see. A lot of natural light. I'll point out a few standard updates on here. Of course, the flooring is the same. Huge baseboards, the 8-inch baseboards. You've got 3 glass windows right over here. Right above me, you've got the tray ceiling, which is a nice modern design. This, it looks like it's probably a queen size bed, so you could easily get a king size bed in here with some furniture on there, and they've done a nice design on that back wall to make it really, really modern. Right off here, you're going to transition into the primary owner suite. Bathroom, notice that the flooring again is going to change from the wood flooring, and now we're going to go into marble flooring. Now when I come in here, you'll see it. The shower, there's no bathtub on here. You can get a bathtub in here, but most people nowadays typically want just a shower. But if you still like baths, go ahead and you can go ahead and get that done. But this is a really nice shower. You've got the flooring as well, which the marble backsplash on here, and they've actually built in a nice bench area right over there, which is cool in the shower. As you can see, you've got the double sinks over here. Right in that far left corner is a closet right behind. I'm sorry, the closet is at the back. You've got the laundry, linen room, and through this door over there, you've got the commode. So I won't go down there. You can kind of use your imagination, but this is right off the primary owner suite. So it's absolutely beautiful. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do now is just give me 30 seconds. I'm going to climb those stairs and show you the second level. All right, guys, I'm back. So just climbing these stairs, and as soon as you come up to the second level, you're going to be in the loft area, which is a second living room. It is absolutely huge, as you can see. Notice the high ceilings. You've got storage over there, so you've got some additional storage that you don't need to use the attic space, very easily accessible. You've got a flat screen TV right mounted on the wall. The model home is set up. They've got a little sectional right over here. You do have the pre-wiring for the speaker system in here, so it's a really good use of space, but it actually gets a little bit better. Once you start to get further to the back of the upstairs, You're going to go into the next bathroom, sorry. So again, you're going to transition right here to another tile flooring. You have the quartz countertops, white modern cabinetry, the same as the kitchen. The commode, this one just has a bath pan in there. It doesn't have tiled, but you can of course do that as an upgrade. And behind my right shoulder, you've got an additional storage area right over here, some more of a closet space. Now, as we move back to the back of the house on the second level, you're actually going to go into the additional third bedroom. Notice that the ceilings, they are angled as they come up, so they really cap out right around just a little bit over half of the room. You've got the carpet in here. Of course, you can change it to the wood flooring if you want, but they've got a really nice high-grade padding carpet in here, which makes it look good. This room's actually bigger than it actually feels because you've got a bed. It is only a small bed in here, but as you can see, you can get a bigger bed, but they've got a table in here as well as some of the furniture. So it's a really long room. They made a good use of space. Now that closet we saw just moments ago as we were coming in, that's the second closet. This is actually the closet for the bedroom, decent sized walk-in closet. Again, the doors are off on these. They like to the builders take them off while they're in the model homes, but you can kind of get a gauge on what it really looks like. So this area up here would be absolutely perfect if you have maybe teenage kids or maybe some middle school kids, have their own little hangout room, and maybe when they get a little bit older, they could transition up here. Or if you want to have something like an in-law suite or a guest suite, this is a perfect room to go ahead and do that. So really good space up here. Really like this second living room. All right, so we're going to go outside now. So stick around. I'm going to go ahead and show you the backyard. So if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you will know that I'm a huge fan of these living screened-in porch areas because it's such a good use of your space, especially here in the South where we have nice weather and you can really use them. This room right here, as you can see, it has been updated to have a fireplace in here. It's a gas fireplace, which is always nice. So you can just kind of see yourself sitting around here, doing some entertaining, spending some time with the family, whatever you like to do. Of course, you could put a TV over the fireplace if that's something you wanted to do. And this also could be screened in very easily. So if you prefer to have a screened in porch and some of an entrance and exit point, you can definitely do that here. And that does keep the bugs out. Now, if you hear a little bit of background noise, we are in a new construction community and there's a lot of development going on. But I just wanted to share that with you. But right on the in the backyard area, you've got a nice little feature over here where they've got one of those green egg smokers. So it gives you some ideas on what you can do. You've got some privacy right here. They built a design that actually is used more for vegetation, but it gives it a nice privacy. Notice the backyard, they do have the retainer wall built in over here, and it's sloped up at least 12 feet. So you're gonna have additional privacy right here in the backyard. So it's a really nice area. You got the patios back over here, and you've got plenty of grass. Now, one thing that I wanted to mention as well, which is very important, the HOA fee is $350 a month, which seems a little bit high initially. You do get the amenities that's all offered here within the community, which is pickleball, tennis, community pool. They're actually building all that right now. So probably next summer of 25 is when they anticipate it opening. But what's really nice is these homes actually include maintenance. So the HOA does your lawn, they cut it, they fertilize it, they plant the bushes for you, they put the pine needles down in the spring and the fall, so they'll do your mulching. So you'd never really have to do anything. Literally, you don't have to do anything. Everything is included in the HOA, so a really, really good deal. We always say price is what you pay, value is what you get. Well, if you're paying $350, you're gonna get a lot for your money on this. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I sincerely hope it brought some value to you. If you're thinking about moving right here to Charlotte or another location around, maybe Fort Mill, Rock Hill, wherever you're thinking about going, go ahead and reach out to me today. My contact information is right below. I would love to be your agent of choice and help you and your family make a nice, smooth move right here to Charlotte, North Carolina. Until next video, I see you around town, and God bless.